6:15, heading towards the top of the hill so we can see the sunrise. So, which is absolutely incredible. This is the viewpoint sign. A lot of people woke up from the camp to go see this as well. I've just been admiring this view for the past half an hour. Stood there in awe, like, wow, this is what we came here for. And you can see the fog down below, and all we can see is just mountains and a beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Martin's doing press-ups. Sunlight for vitamin D and exercise for your body. That's how we start the day. Going for this restaurant with a beautiful, gorgeous view.
Yeah.
Look at that. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm really hungry.
Yeah, me too. So this is our lunch. We're gonna get some noodles, just like this.
That is blood.
Blood. I'm not a fan of that. So we ordered some noodles. We're both really hungry. We've been riding a little bit today, maybe about an hour and a half in total.
We're going to the road number 3, right?
Street number 3.
Street number
Yeah.
3. I think it's that road. You see the guy's t-shirt?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're going here.
Yeah,
We're going to this one. Here's our lunch. Yeah, so we got the pork,
Yeah, like a pork
veg,
yeah.
noodles. I think that's send me like thin noodles,
Yeah.
and a soup. Enjoy. With this view. Thank you. อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก
ถ่ายกับคนนั้นมา
I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm so happy. So this is it. This is called street number 3, and as you can see, very curvy, very good for driving bikes, even a car as well. So the whole purpose of coming to Nan was to go on this bike adventure, and finding a spot like this is just surreal. It makes it worth coming here. We're surrounded by green, luscious mountains. The road, it not only looks incredible, but it's really smooth. And it's super quiet. Oh, there we go, now's the car coming. Here's the biker gang. What do you think about street number 3?
I think it looks like a 3.
It does.
It does look like a number 3. And it's a bit dangerous, so if you guys come here, watch out, drive carefully. For real, not kidding now. Many cars go quite fast, so be careful.
Yeah, be careful guys. But you get this view. Wait, I'm gonna run and show you. Look at this. Oh my lord. Look at that. Let's go. Don't worry. They're durable, they're strong. Time to go. And we have arrived.
The new hotel.
Oh, squeaky. Why'd you have to jump on every single bed? Why, Martin?
Oh,
So we're at the hotel in a place called Pua. Very small, very local. We got this room for about 900 baht for one night. So 450 baht each. And yeah, we're pretty tired. We had a great day. Was that fun, Martin?
Super fun.
Yeah, it was good. Now it's time for bed. Ooh, good night. There's a lottery ticket here. Winner chicken dinner? Nah, maybe not. Alright, we're about to check out and I want to show everyone this view.
Yes. View is incredible.
We got a scorching hot sun right now. But it's nice because it's super green. Little spot there. Oh, my hands are really tanned. I burnt with riding the bike. Yeah, this hotel is good. It's cheap, friendly staff. Oh, there's a pool. It's a pool with the view.
So where are we going?
We're going to a famous wall in Pua. So we're going to get ready on the bike and then we're going to set off. I think maybe visit some more temples today. But the main thing is to just ride around, enjoy and just have a cool bike trip. Right, Martin?
Yes, that's correct.
It's really hot though. This is why we need this. It's hot, but it keeps me protected from my neck and my hands. Otherwise I'm going to get burned. All right, let's go.
It's time to ride.
Yeah. All right, we've arrived. Where are we, Martin?
We are at the entering wall in. It looks pretty much like the Chiang Mai wall.
It's got really busy now, so we're gonna go behind. Follow me, we'll go up the stairs. I'm on top of the ancient wall.
Nice.
Martin, jump onto the tree. Oh, look at that view, guys. Whoa. Stopped off at a temple.
Yes.
It's called
Wat Phuket.
Wat Phuket. And it's
Wat
not
Phuket.
in Phuket, it's in.
Where we are? Pua. Yeah, it's in Pua. Exactly.
Look at this.
That is correct. Oh, it's
Oh,
beautiful.
wow.
How is standing?
Nan has the most temples of any province in Thailand. And you'll find countless temples here, which are absolutely stunning. Just look at this. Absolutely amazing. I've seen this a lot in Thailand. So what you do is you take this and then you go inside on your knees on the floor and you shake it until one of these wooden sticks falls out, and then one wooden stick corresponds to one of this, and then you read it. So they give you like they foretell the future or tell you a little bit about yourself. This guy looks happy. Interesting, I've just spotted this. Golden logs. Maybe they're full of magic. We've got some incense sticks here. And a beautiful dragon sculpture. It's creepy, but nice. You're supposed to hit it. And if you ring the bells, you get good luck. Wow, look at this golden Buddha. This ginormous golden Buddha with the ribbons in the tree around it. Really beautiful. The sculptures here at this temple are really, really unique. You've got some elephants, dragons, and they're even selling some wooden instruments. We're just taking a break, got some water and a snack, which is called gloai thai.
Yes.
Which is fried banana. Not the healthiest, but alright, delicious.
Hello.
Parang. Parang như này. Alright, just arrived to the new hotel. How much was this hotel?
700 baht.
So it's like 350 baht each. This is the last night. Go back to Bangkok tomorrow. Here we are. Super nice. Very chill place. Very green. Bit of nature here. And we're very close to all the temples here and all the things that are in and around the city. Sawadee Khap. So yeah, I'm just going to check in and then see what's going on around in Nan again. But I like Nan.
I like it.
Yeah.
Nice city.
It's peaceful. It's chill and it's Friday, so let's see what's going on Friday.
Exactly.
Khap and Khap. Alright. We can use a bike for free, so we could use it to look around the temples. This hotel is very, very pink. Or is it my glass? No, it's very pink. Martin chose this hotel, guys, not me. Yeah.
By the way,
same color.
You can buy for 490
Yeah,
baht.
it's good quality.
Yeah.
I've already got one in black.
Alright.
There it is.
Good, we got 2 beds, but this looks really romantic.
It does look. We got a teddy bear. Have a good day.
Who's jumping on the bed?
I'll put this little bear over here.
Okay, let's take
Oh!
Yeah, we're gonna go for a massage.
Yes.
Massage.
Time for a massage now.
Yes.
So we're about to head out for a little adventure on a bike. Not a motorbike this time. A bicycle. So these are provided by the hotel. We get to pick one. I'm laughing because Martin's wearing a... Look at this. Wait, come over here.
Good.
Looking smart. Can you give us a 360?
I'm busy now. You have to put the thing to stand by. Put it back.
For what? Oh, that one? Yeah. It's really hard.
Yeah, it is.
That took a lot of effort. Sawadee Khap. We're gonna go look for some temples, of course. The province of temples. Sawadee Khap. Everyone's so friendly here.
Yes.
Love it.
This is not Bangkok.
Oh, fuck. Nearly crashed. It's not easy to do it with one hand. Yeah. Oh wow, what's going on here? Oh, this is the market. Oh, I wonder if we can drive through. Yeah, we didn't need the bike. We could literally just walk there. No dogs allowed, Martin. Look at the sign. Can't let you in. Hello, Sawadee Khap. Sawadee Mai Khap. Kunชื่ออะไรครับ Dao. Like star? It's like the third person that smiled and said hello in the past couple minutes. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, hello. Aren't you cute? What's your name? Hello. Hello. Sawadee Khap.
สวัสดีครับ
น่ารักมาก Sawadee Khap. Let's go. I'm gonna get crashed into. Here we go. Okay. So we're currently at the market. There's lots of food, snacks. Maybe we could just have dinner here, Martin.
I think so, yeah. We're gonna have dinner right here.
And oh yeah, look what I just got. 250 baht. Oh, these are one of my
Yeah,
favorites.
these are good.
This is really, really good. Nice.
We'll get back.
Yeah. Sawadee Khap. Look at the size of this. Sawadee Khap. Love the vibe. Really love the vibe here. Sawadee Khap. Wow. What's going on over here? Thai music being played. So we were going to go into temples, but we found this amazing street market. And I think we're just going to spend the night here. And all around us is temples anyway, just like this.
ได้พบน้องคืนนั้นสุขสำราญพบในงานผ้าป่าฟ้ามาเขียนทองมาขอแต่งข้าต้องแทนให้พร้อมจะไปขอให้น้องคนนี้ตั้งตารอน้องจงรอวันนั้นวันวิวา
Alright guys, we just finished at the night market. We had some lovely food, a little bit of a dance with the Thai ladies, and it's time to say goodbye. Nan, you are beautiful.